How can prominent men be in Nigeria and yet people still import egg into the country? That's impossible. In the recent research, we found out that there is a lot of demand for egg production, most especially in the country Nigeria. So we try to see how we can look for a way to satisfy this need. And over the years, a lot of time we see people importing eggs production from different locations into Nigeria. But we came to see it. How can prominent men be in Nigeria and yet people still import egg into the country? That's impossible. And I want to shock you this day that we have a company currently now in Cross River State. It's called KSAM. If you want to know, our mission is to make sure that we are able to satisfy the whole nation with a good and rich egg production that is going to go as far as supplying all the 36 states in the nation without any limitation. So stay tuned as I'm going to take you around on this particular mission that we are right now.